Okay, hi. So we're going to do the body modeling, the part one of it. We're going to start with the top part, Maya. So I prepared already a side and front view. It's very generic character. Let's just check it out. So here I have a front. There the side view. They're pretty much aligned. We're not so much concerned with the anatomy and correct, more about modeling the body with the right topology, quads. Let's start. So we're going to start by creating cylinder, and let's go to the channel editor in the inputs, and let's change the axis to 8, and let's go for the height 4, and for the caps 0. Now let's just start in the front view. So we're going to work on the top part of the body. I'm going to first scale it a little bit like this. So I want to reach with this part to the top, the shoulders maybe here a little bit down. Again, in this example, I'm not so concerned with the shape. It's more about having the right topology. So I'll just now start from this side and watch it in wireframe to scale it along, just to get a kind of general shape of the body. And of course we can add a lot more divisions to get this more exact. Okay, I'll do the same in the side view. So I'm just using the scale tool for now. I should also rotate them, and we will do it in a second. So I'll just scale it first to kind of fit. Now this is the base of the neck. I'll also rotate it a little bit like this, and this should go backwards. So go around here, and then I will go with this one. And then we also do it a little bit of a rotate. Now I'm not so worried here. I would need more divisions. I will add this later. First, I just want to get the general shape. This reference I have is not so accurate, so I will have to guess for the point. This tutorial should be fine. I'm already gonna a little bit higher this one, maybe also do. Okay. So we just got this general shape. Now I will just take this top face and I will extrude it. Control E, and I will. It should be around the world. And I will lift it a little bit up. And another extrude. So this would be our neck. And of course, I will need to adjust it. There, I just want to take this whole row, so I'll double click on the edge. We got kind of basic shape. Maybe we'll just now tweak a few things. We're going to continue by just inserting another edge loop. I can also do it using the modeling toolkit, multicut, and with control I get the whole edge loop, and I'll put it somewhere at the bottom right. So the next thing we need to do is actually do the arm. Before that, I'm going to just prepare for the arm. Space, but let's just tighten this out a little bit. Maybe not so relevant the other side. So I'm going to extrude. Let's see in a second. Okay, I'm now going to create the arm. I'm going to again start with the cylinder. I'll create a polygon cylinder and go to my inputs. Change the axis to 6, height to 6, and 0 for the caps. I will just, the same as we did with the main torso, I will just first locate it in the front view. Just maybe I'm scaling from the center so it stays a bit proportional. And I'll align it here, and I want the center to be somewhere around there. Now if I will go on my side view, I will now want to turn the arm. The easiest way for me to do it is select the vertex, please, and move it up a bit. Just change that. So now we're going to connect the body with the arm. So we have them both separate polygons. We're going to select both with Shift. In the modeling toolbox, we're going to use the combine. When we combine, we're going to start by first deleting these two faces under the arm where we want to connect, and the corresponding cap in the cylinder. So we have this. We're going to also select this edge by double clicking it, and I'm going to add a bit of that. I just need to add another row, and then I'm going to start by stitching. Now I'm looking at this line to connect with the middle first, so I'm going to use the target weld vertices, and I'll stitch this one and then one on each side. This is okay. And now I'm going to just go into my edges, select this one and the corresponding ones, this is under the armpits, and I'll bridge, select this one and bridge as well. And there should be just one left in the back. That's it. So this one and we bridge it. Now we are going to have a triangle here. So first we're just going to select an edge and mesh fill hole. We're going to break this triangle by adding another row here. So I'm going to use the multi-cut. I'm going to split this up so it's no longer a triangle. And I'm going to create a whole row going all the way down here. And in this part, I'm going to connect it down to here and then in a straight line to this point. Okay, so now I have two triangles. For the moment I will delete this edge. I have a quad again and I'm left just with one triangle here, which was solved much simpler. And now if I'm looking down, I think everything should be connected quite okay. I'm not that worried yet about the shape. I have to do a lot of tweaking to get this to look right. But from the topology, I think we should have it quite okay. So now the only trick thing we have is this triangle. I'm going to continue it. Seeing this row here, I'm just going to continue it down to the bottom. I'm going to use my multi-cut again from here to here, and I'm just going to go to the center. I don't need to go all the way because we're going to delete this part. I will delete this edge. So I have this. Now I will delete all these spaces. So I can just go to the front view, go all the way to the middle. I will delete also the caps. And this should be okay. Let's just check everything smooth. That's what I want to see. Like this. And this is good. And this should be